Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today is a special day. Not only am I building the Porsche 911 and the Eaglemoss thing, but I'm also gonna start the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 from Eaglemoss. And I'm gonna be working on issue 2 as well. So, for stage number 1, we get the enormous hood, the hood vents, and some trim. The hood is metal, already has some chrome trim on it, and it's heavy and huge. This trim is metal, but this one is plastic. These are plastic. We also get the license plate, which is metal. First we line up the hood vents, and they have different peg locations. These are held in with AM screws. Like so. First we take the white metal trim and the chrome trim and just slot them in like so. And these are held in with 4 BM screws. Like so. And that is stage number 1 complete. Then for stage number 2 we get the main grill, more trim, the bumper, and the headlight. So first we take the main headlight housing, which is metal, the reflector, the lens, and the chrome trim and the chrome front. Line it up like this, and these are held in with a single CP screw and 2 BP screws. Like so. And that is the left side complete. Then we just need to do the same for the right side. Like so. Then both headlights are complete. Then we take this strobe base, put the bulb in there, and put the cover on top, and that goes onto that chrome trim with the label. The instructions don't mention a screw because design in the instructions is totally different, but the silver BP screws included in this stage do fit perfectly. So just gonna do the same for the other side. Like so, and that trim is complete. Then we take the main grill and the strobe grill and just line up like that. And that is held in with 3 BP screws. Since I don't have enough BP screws, I'm just gonna put 1 in the center for now. And then we take the left corner, just slot it like that, and I'm gonna keep that in with AP screws, like so. And then we do the same on the other side, like so. Then I take the side with the notch that matches this one, and it's held with 2 AP screws. Those wings took way too much effort, but now we just take the headlights and line them up like so, and these are held with BM screws, like so. And then we do the same on the other side, like so. And that is stage number 2 complete.